Hello, hello. This is Gina Brezini. I am a relationship coach. I am a therapist and an expert in healing after the trauma of infidelity. I've been living in the United States for more than 30 years now, so most of my life, but I kept the accent. If you're wondering where my accent is from, it's from Bulgaria. I was born and raised there. And I hope that it will not distract you on this journey of learning that we're going to share together. I've been affected personally by infidelity, and some of it happened way back in the past, and other times it's more recent. But as I was preparing this course, I realized that I was surprised actually that some of the traumatic experiences that I had in the past have left some residues that were affecting my life today. And this is why I decided to do this course. What inspired me was an odd circumstances that happened. Within a short time, 3 completely new clients had come to me, and all of them came wanting to work through issues of infidelity. Now, all 3 were men, all 3 were married. The first one had multiple sexual encounters. The second one had found out that his wife had just cheated on him. The third one was having a really good relationship with his wife of many years, but he had recently began an affair with another woman, and he was getting emotionally involved. The same issue, but on all 3 different sides of infidelity. So that's what started it. Paying attention usually to things that happen. I'm making connections between things. And I realized that that was a message. There's a lot of people who are affected by infidelity in one way or another, and a lot of people can benefit from it. I went deeper into researching the issues of infidelity, and part of it was so I can help my clients better, but the other part was like, wow, what if I can help millions of people to resolve a deeper pain that most of us are not even aware that is still there. That was the case for me. I had no idea that something that happened 20 years ago was still affecting me in some way, that it was still alive inside me, that it still had energy, that it still was stealing out of my energy that I need for me, for living today, for my relationships today, and it was still affecting me in those ways. And I discovered that as I began to work through this course. It's so interesting. I worked through some of my personal issues while I was selecting the information that can go into that course, while I was connecting the dots that were helping me to create this new system. And I sincerely, sincerely hope that this is what's going to happen for you, that you are going to connect the dots in your own lives, that you are going to heal deeper traumatic experiences that you may or may not be aware of, just like I did. And my intention is that that course is really bringing the healing that I trust is so necessary for all of us today. So sign up, check it out. There's good stuff in it.